Welcome back, Cyprus user. In today's video, we are going to cover how to define the business partners. Now, there are three kinds of business partners that are basically the customers, vendors, and the employees. Now, the customers are the persons who used to purchase the items from your organization. The vendors are the suppliers who used to supply the material as per your demand or the request. And the employees are the persons who used to work for your organization. So these three kinds of business partner you would be able to define into the Cyprus ERP system. To define such a business partner, you just need to log in into the Cyprus ERP system, and thereafter you need to open the business partner window, and you would be able to define the customers, vendors, and employees. So I'm at my login screen and I'm going to log into my Cyprus admin. And at the level of the partner relationship, you would be able to see the business partner rules, and then you would be able to see the business partner. So if you want to open the business partner, you just need to click onto the business partner window and the window gets open. Thereafter, you just need to say new record, select your greeting message, and here let's say I just want to create fashions as my one of the customer. So once it is done, thereafter you need to define the credit status. So I would say my credit status is presently okay. Then you just need to define the tax ID. If it is not there, you would be able to say SO or the PO exempt, or both are exempted to this. And then you just need to define the business partner group. So I would say it is a US customer, so I would define here, and then you just need to save this. If you want to upload the logo of this, then you would be able to upload the logo. Okay, once you save this, if this business partner is a customer, then you need to move on at the customer tab, check on the customer checkbox, and then you need to define which are going to be the invoice rule. So I would say it is going to be immediate. What is going to be delivery? It is availability. So the availability means the stock is available, then thereafter you would be able to raise an invoice. Then which is the price list is basically the USD sales price list. Okay, if there is any discount schema, you would be able to define. However, it is getting copied from the business partner group. Then what is going to be the payment term with this? So I would say it is going to be 60 days net. Any dunning, then system will copy the dunning, and thereafter you just need to define the credit limit. So I would say 10,000 US dollar is the credit limit, and then I would save this record. As soon as you save this record, the system copies the accounting codes from the business partner group to this. And once you will verify this, then you just need to move on there at the level of the location. You need to define the location. So I would say office number 909, city is NY, sorry, state is NY, that is New York, and say okay. And you can enter the phone number, the fax number, the second phone number, the ISDN number. Okay, and if you want to select the sales region, you can select that and save this. Then which person you used to talk normally, then I would say it is David. His email address is david@brsfashions.com. Then what is going to be the greeting for him is Mr., and you just define his phone number, the title, let's say the sales manager. If his birthday you are aware of, you would be able to enter this, and the notification type you just need to select. So by default it is coming as email, and I would select as email, and thereafter in which position he holds. Then you would be able to define your position, and you can save that position. So once it is done, then save it out, and thereafter you just need to move on to the interest area, and you would be able to define, since this interest area and interest area of this particular user, you would be able to define that can be utilized by the CRM module. Okay, So once it is done, so your customer is prepared. Similarly, if you want to create it as a vendor, then you just need to move on to the vendor and you just need to mark as vendor, and thereafter you just need to select all these details. If this is an employee, then you just need to move on to the employee and say employee, and it is also a sales representative, mark the sales representative, and rest all the things remain same. The vendor counting and the employee counting gets copied from the business partner group accordingly to the business partner based on to the definition, either this belongs to customer or vendor. There might be a possibility when the cases is a single business partner can be your vendor and can be your customer. In that case, you would be able to do both of them, as create a single business partner as customer as well as vendor. So you would be able to define this, right? And I would say my purchase price list is this, and save. So at the level of the vendor counting tab, you would be able to see the system copies the ledger codes from the business partner group. So this is how you would be able to define the business partners into the VA system. That is pretty easier to define. And even if you want to import, then you would be able to import the business partners into the initial stages. That's all in this particular video. If you like our video, then I would request you to subscribe our channel and also share this video with your colleagues so that they would learn how to define the business partner or the customer or the vendors, employees into the Cyprus ERP system. So far, thanks a lot. Bye bye.